Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to detangle and style my daughter's hair. Right now, I'm wetting it to separate her hair to detangle. Now, when your hair is really tangled, I like to section small sections, and I'll be using TM Hair Products Smooth Through Detangler to detangle her hair. As you can see, her tangles are more at the root, so that's where I focus. I focus on the root of her hair. So when I start to detangle, I use a wide tooth comb starting from the ends and work my way up to the root of her hair. Now, what this detangler is doing right now is not only is it detangling her hair, but it's also adding moisture to her hair as well. So if I wanted to, let's say, co-wash her hair, I can detangle her hair, rinse this detangler out, and proceed to style her hair because it adds moisture and it cleanses. And I don't know if I've told you guys, but this is also a co-wash. It's a deep conditioner. It's a detangler. It can be used for kids. It can be used on your human hair wigs and weaves. If you want to rejuvenate an old wig, you can use it on an old wig. So there's a number of things you can do with this detangler. But as you can see, I've detangled this section and I just like to pin it out the way. Her hair has been shampooed, deep conditioned, and when I use the detangler as a conditioner, the shine you see on her hair, that comes strictly from using the detangler as a deep conditioner. And now we're moving on to the styling aid. The styling aid is great if your hair lacks moisture. If you wear protective styles, this styling aid is perfect for you because it does not make your hair greasy, but it moisturizes your hair very well. I have clients who use this under their wigs. As you can see in my videos, I use it on all of my crochet styles. I use it in every style except for silk pressing. And I just want to say shout out to the Smooth Through Detangler. As you can see, my daughter, she falling asleep. And this is the tender-headed one. She's the one who's tender-headed. And she's falling asleep because it makes her hair feel good. The tingling sensation, there's no pulling, there's no yanking. So she's able to fall asleep. But shout out to her. Well, shout out to me. Okay, guys, this is the finished braid pattern, and the styling aid will dry clear. Her hair's not completely dry. That's why it's still white. And I'm just following that same pattern around her head. And I like to use the styling aid at the root of her hair and on the tips of her hair. So that allows her hair to stay moisturized while her hair is in its protective style because synthetic hair, it tends to be drying to natural hair. So when I use the styling aid helps to protect her hair while it's in a protective style so her hair is not so dry and brittle and she loses a lot of hair in the detangling process when I take it out. This is the finished braid pattern. A lot of you guys asked to see the braid pattern. This is the finished braid pattern. And I like it because it makes her hair lay flat. Now, I have done videos and shown you how I install crochet braids, but I just wanted to show you how I installed um, a couple of her crochet braids. And I really like the way this style came out. It came out really, really cute. And we did a number of things with it, but I didn't record it. We curled it. Well, not curled it with rollers, but curled it and dipped it in hot water. We straightened it out. So she did a number of different things with this hair. I just didn't record it because we were just experimenting. Now, when I did this style, I wanted her part very close together because I know it's going to separate fast. So um, I didn't take pictures at the end, but you will see um, a clip of her hair a week later after this style was done, and you'll see how even her part after a week had opened up. But she really liked the style. I really liked it. I like the henna blue in the style, and you'll be able to see that in a moment. But I really like the style, and the styling aid helped to keep her hair moisturized. It helped to keep her hair healthy and protected. And that's what the styling aid is for. It's not only there to style your hair, but it's also there to help keep your hair protected and moisturized, because if you wear protective styles, you want to protect your hair and you want your hair to grow and be healthy. You don't want to take your protective style down and your hair is so dry it literally just breaks off when you comb it. The styling aid helps to protect your hair from that. So therefore you don't lose as much hair in the detangling process after you remove your protective style. This is the finished look, and as you can see, her part is very close together. And this is the snippet a week later. Okay guys, this is the finished look of her hair. Actually, it's like a week later. We've done some things. We've curled it. We've dipped it back straight. So we've done some things, but as you can see, she got a hint of blue highlights. Turn around. And this is turn around. Just turn. Do a complete turn all the way around. This is the finished look of it. It mimics natural hair really well. Her part is opening up. This part was closed. You'll probably see that in the video. This part was closed, and this is it's probably been what, maybe a week?
Yeah, a week.
A week, and how her part has opened up. But I really like the hint of blue. And let me go down a little bit so you can see it. I'm getting ready to start my other daughter's hair. Duck your head down, Big T. So, as you can see, this is her final look. And that's it. And smile so I can take a screenshot. Wait, hold it. Let me see if I wait, hold it. Let me see if I can turn on camera. You guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.